Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to go for Samsung folder and open the voice recorder application. Right now we have to accept all of the permission and click right here on this button. And as you can see, smartphone starts recording sounds. So if you want to finish, you can click right here. We can rename the record, we can also set the category. After that we can save and just check the quality. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.